I think. Really, really special keyboard. And shout out to Dodosa for coming over and showing us it.
소환사의 협곡에 오신 것을 환영합니다. 미니언 생성까지 30초 남았습니다.
The sound effect on the ult on this skin is so insane, man. I actually love the sound effects on this skin. I think they're really clean. Alright, let me get rid of this camera. Because we no longer have it here.
미니언들이 생성되었습니다.
Patapim. Okay, the Patapim is back. Alright. So, as Gragas, actually very important combo to practice is this. So this is a minion wave, right? Minion wave in front of you. You are farming minions. So that you are farming a minion wave with Q. Let's maybe do it in the lane instead. So minion wave and an enemy. You're farming minion wave, you Q to farm, and then you can do this. Boom. And kill. That's a surprise attack. Very, very important actually to master this combo, I think. Because with this combo you can just surprise enemies and they won't expect it so much. Because you're just farming. You're just farming a minion. Like, let's say these minions are 1 HP. You're just tossing a Q at them as if you always do in lane, right? This is what you always do. And then, fuck. You have to be very precise though with the E flash, because it is long range. And yeah, you can miss it like that. Very long range E flash. Very, very long range. But you can do it. So like this. And I hit a minion. Shit. 3 minions. Now we do it again. There it is. Donk. I do this pretty often in lane. But not as long range, I think. Usually I do it a little bit shorter range. So I would do it more like this. And I missed. GG. It's important to master geometry. Exactly. Why do you think I played Geometry Dash?